video, I noticed how bad my chicken feeders were because of those silly Tweety birds that insist on going in there and perching on the edge of the feeders and eating the chicken food. And yeah, they were pretty dirty, I noticed. And so today is the day to clean these feeders and also to put my thinking cap on. I actually have a hat that says that, or thinking hat, something like that. I don't know if that will really help, but I need to figure it out. I need to figure out how to keep the Tweety birds out of my chicken coop. So let me know if you have any ideas. There's been times before when my grandsons have come over with their BB gun, and they've gotten rid of some. But you know what? It didn't solve the problem. They keep coming back. And there's been days when I've come out here to the chicken coop and there's 100 Tweety birds in my coop. And then they just take off. They fly back out the little doors, the little chicken doors. As you can probably tell, it's pretty windy here right now. I hope it's not interfering too much with the sound. Well, we'll do the best we can. I'm going to spray this one down, this feeder, and then let it soak for just a second while I go in and get another one. One more. wasn't too bad of a job. And the feeders look a lot better. There's some stains, but all of the icky stuff is washed off. And there you go. Look at that. A nice clean feeder. Yeah, thank you for your eggs today. Every one of the chickens in there laid an egg today. Okay, here's the peacock and those 3 hens. There's their feeder. Looks much better than it did before. Much better. And then in the first coop, nice clean feeder. These guys laid 6 eggs today. And then, like I said, the first coop down there, which is coop number 3, first one we looked at, they all laid an egg. And there are 23 of them in there right now. One of them has escaped. And so 23 plus 6 is 29. So we got 29 eggs today. They're lovely. So I did a little job for them and they did a big job for me. Thanks for joining me as I did a quick and poopy cleanup job on the chicken feeders. And as you saw, they look a lot better now. Yay! And I'm glad that I was able to do that. It's like 58 degrees out here today, which is really comfortable and really fun to be outside. And so thanks for joining me. I hope that if you liked this video, you can hit the like button, share with your friends who like to look at chickens. And remember that even when you take it slow, you can accomplish a lot. Thanks for watching.